everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz Style. Today I'm going to show you how to do a ladder braid ponytail. This looks awesome. I can't wait to show you how to do it. So first off, we're going to give our hair a good brush. We want to get it up into a nice neat ponytail. Perfect. Brush those flyaways back. Now secure with an elastic band. I'm going to take a little bit of hair and wrap it around the hair elastic. I'm securing this with a hair grip. This just makes the overall design look much neater. Now I'm giving it a bit of a spritz with some hairspray. This is just so that there are no flyaways. So, for the actual ladder braid, we want to start a normal braid on the side of the ponytail. We're going to take 3 strands and start plaiting like you would normally. However, we're going to take a strand from behind the bulk of the big ponytail and bring it around in front of the ponytail for it to become part of that braid. Let's look at that again. We're going to braid 1, 2, and then we're going to bring around from the back of the ponytail. Once you know how to do it, it's super easy. You'll notice that the braid is becoming bigger and the ponytail is becoming slightly smaller because you're using a bit of the ponytail each time you braid. This creates an awesome ladder effect in front of the ponytail alongside the braid that we're plaiting on the side. Once you get to the bottom, secure it with the hair elastic. You can now tweak it with your fingers to make sure that it's all sitting perfectly. Like so. Voila! Doesn't that look amazing? It's super simple, but it looks really complicated. You'll impress all your friends with this hairstyle. And there you have it, a ladder braid ponytail. Today I'm going to show you how to do a French fishtail braid. That's right, it's a French fishtail braid. Slightly different, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take a portion of hair at the crown of the head. I'm going to divide this hair into 3 different strands, and I'm going to start a normal French braid. However, instead of taking the entire strand of the hair and taking it over into the middle, as you would normally with a French braid, I'm only taking a small segment. I'm doing this twice, and then I'm bringing in some more hair from the side. I'm continuing to French braid, except the strands coming in from the side are much smaller than the original strands, and they become part of the thicker strands. So at one point we have 2 thick strands and we're bringing in the 3rd. This is how it differs from a normal French braid. The side strand becomes the entire 3rd strand instead of joining the 3rd strand that was originally there. By bringing in the third, thinner strand, we are creating the fishtail effect. Once you get to the bottom, we're going to repeat the fishtail braid effect. If you don't know how to do a fishtail braid, check out our other video and learn how to do a basic one. Nearly done. We're going to braid all the way down to the bottom of the hair. Once that's done, secure it with a hair elastic. And there you have it, a French fishtail braid. I love this hairstyle because it's a combination of two classic hairstyles. Today I'm going to show you how to do a fishtail braid. It's a classic, but you need to know how to do it if you want to do your hair. So let's get started. First up, I'm brushing my model's hair. I've swept all of her hair over to one shoulder. I'm separating it into two different chunks. Now we're going to start braiding. I'm taking thin strands from the edge and bringing them into the middle, in the gap between the two larger chunks of hair. They're crossing over each other, as you can see. I'm simply going to repeat this all the way down. So I'm bringing hair in from the outside and bring it into the middle. It's then going to repeat itself and become part of the bigger strand of hair. This is how you do a fishtail braid. Put simply, you just need to repeat all the way down the hair. This is a great twist on the classic braid and it looks amazing. Let's have another look now that we're getting further down the hair. We're taking strands from the outside and bringing it over into the middle. It's going across the previous strand we've just brought in. Keep going. Nearly finished. Now I'm at the bottom, I'm securing it with a hair elastic. And there you have it, a fishtail braid. Doesn't that look pretty? I love this hairstyle. Super cute and super casual. It's great for school. We've had some requests and we are going to do a basic braid for you today. It's super simple, but it is the core of a lot of our designs. So let's get started. Make sure that you have your hair nicely brushed. A basic braid has 3 strands, so we want to separate the hair like so. We are going to cross the outside strands over the middle strand. So you can see the left one becomes the middle one, then the right one becomes the middle one. That is the principle of a basic braid. You repeat all the way down. So left into the middle, then right into the middle, left into the middle, and right into the middle, all the way down until you get to the bottom. And then all you have to do is secure it with a hair elastic. And there you have it. That is a basic braid, or a plait. Perfect. Super quick and super easy. Make sure you get practicing, everyone, because this is an absolute must. You need to know how to do this super simple hairstyle. Great. So good luck perfecting the basic braid. Thank you for watching HooplaKidz Style, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, check out our others and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!